Encore Wire's tray cable is some of the toughest cable on the market, and that same toughness is now featured in our new Tray Cable SER hybrid cable. Our Tray Cable SER hybrid cable is suitable for installation in locations where traditional tray cable isn't permitted to be installed, as required by the National Electrical Code. We offer it in sizes 6 gauge through 4/0 with THHN/THWN-2 or XHHW-2 interconductors. Tray Cable SER hybrid cable is primarily used for connecting power devices in residential, commercial, and industrial environments. It's suitable for installation in channels, ducts, cable trays, and raceways, and is permitted for 600-volt applications. It's evaluated for use in Class 1 Division 2, Class 2 Division 2, and Class 3 Division 1 and 2 locations when utilized with listed fittings rated for the condition of use and exposure. Tray Cable SER hybrid cable can be used in wet, damp, and dry locations, as well as above ground for direct UV sunlight or underground for direct burial applications. With this one hybrid cable, it can seamlessly convert from indoor using its type SER rating to outdoor and then directly into the earth using its tray cable direct burial ratings. There's no need for a junction box or cost of transitions. When necessary to transition outside underground into a building, such as a detached building or structure, or to a remote piece of electrical equipment, the Tray Cable SER hybrid cable streamlines the installation process. Our Tray Cable SER hybrid cable utilizes a more robust jacket or sheathing than normal SER cable, making it less prone to damage during tough residential and commercial installation. It's constructed with a PVC outer jacket with stranded aluminum or copper THHN/THWN-2 or XHHW-2 interconductors. The interconductors are flame retardant, sunlight resistant, and come in black or colored polyvinyl chloride or PVC. Tray Cable SER hybrid cable is heat and moisture resistant with high dielectric strength. The THHN/THWN-2 or XHHW-2 interconductors are also heat and moisture resistant, high dielectric strength, and rated 90 degrees Celsius wet or dry, which meets the requirements for UL 83 and UL 44. It's RoHS compliant and UL 854 and 1277 listed and labeled. Please refer to the National Electrical Code for any additional limitations that may apply. To view our full product sheets, go to EncoreWire.com. There's no need for expensive tray cable fittings when using our hybrid cable as SER. Normal SER fittings and straps will work perfectly with our Tray Cable SER hybrid cable. It can be purchased on our standard reels, our self-spinning reel payoffs, and our reel deal. It's available in a variety of standard lengths from 150 to 1,000 feet, depending on wire gauge. We can also do custom lengths. All of our wire and cable is born in America and raised in Texas. We have a large manufacturing capacity with our campus stretching across 425 acres with over 2 million square feet under roof. Our expansive single-site manufacturing campus affords us the ability to meet demanding job site requirements, from accelerated delivery needs to custom product specifications to unique colors and sizes. For more details on our Tray Cable SER hybrid cable, please contact your local Encore Wire rep.